So now let's see how we can utilize the ink brush tool inside of GIMP. So to utilize the ink brush tool, over here on the left hand side, you need to click and hold the brush area, and over here you can see that ink is an option. So you got a fairly small amount of options over here. So I can go around and click and drag around, and there you go. There's a straightforward ink, as you can see. I can go around and add in a smooth stroke over here, just like this as well. So I can go around, change around the quality of the stroke and the weight of the stroke as well. Apart from that, you can go around, change around the size of the stroke right here, just like this, and change around the angle as well. So if I were to go around over here onto the size right here, you can see that you can change around the sensitivity of the stroke over here as well. If I were to go around over here, click and drag this, then you can see that I got more like an angular stroke right here. You can also go around, change around the angle right here, just like this, and you got a different angle. You can go around and change this out, and then you got an angle change over there as well. If I were to change around the size, then the size is changed out. You can tilt it out over here as well and change around the speed as well, just like this. You can also go around and make a square, as you can see right here. So let's just go around over here. This is more like a square shape, and then there's a diamond shape over here, just like this as well. And these are the different type of ink shapes inside of GIMP. So I hope you found this a video useful and you learned something as always. So please do like, comment, share, and subscribe.